What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. As you guys know, we are Empty Garage, and today we got something a little special. Be working on the Honda. As you guys know, this Honda is a little 5-speed, little 5-banger, little 5-speed 4-banger. We redid the what's it called, TSX lights. We put some coilovers in it, some mono Godspeed SS's. They're pretty good. They're slammed. They're not completely slammed all the way to the ground. We got the headlights in the front. But today we got some goodies. We got for a really good deal, guys. You want to guess what that is? Take a guess in the comments. We got a special guest today. Look at that thing. Yeah. So my brother's gonna take my old hood and I'm gonna put on the new hood. Pretty snazzy. But yeah, we had a carbon fiber hood, and so he's gonna get my hood because he doesn't like this, which is not bad, but mine doesn't have anything like that on it, so he's gonna take it. But yeah, those are next. Rims are next. I don't know if I'm gonna get a lip. Kind of like the way it sits, but this is his car. He got a lot of stuff done to it already. Say what up, kid.
What's up?
So yeah, let's get to this hood. So I'm gonna pop the hood first, and I think it's like 12s. Let's find out. Let me see. So yeah, it's only a couple of bolts. It's 4 bolts, and then we just remove this right here, so that way you can take it off. But it's literally 4 bolts. That's it. All right, well, let's get to it. All right, guys, so we've got the hood off, replace the old hood, and now we're gonna see what's good with this hood. Let's see. Look at that thing. This thing is brand new, brand spanking new out of the box. And just like I said before, when it's brand new, it still has hardware. And it has the hardware. This is my unwrapping ASMR video. It is a OEM one. Drop down in the comments how much you guys think it costs. How much did I get it for, guys? Drop a comment below. I'm gonna put it on, but yeah, it's 4 10 mils, and that's it. So, all right, let's get it going. All right, guys, so we are done installing the hood, and it looks pretty good. As you guys can see, it's for the 98, but I think the chassis is the same, so yeah. The only thing is it has this stuff on the car on both sides, so I gotta wash it, get that shit off, maybe with some orange something. But yeah, that's what it looks like. The only thing is it has a little bit of a gap. Really can't tell on camera, but it's cool. It's looks good. So carbon fiber hood is on. Save some weight reduction, man. Thing is nice. It's not gonna stay carbon fiber forever because I'm gonna respray the car, and of course I'm gonna respray the carbon too. Like, it's cool. Maybe we'll see. Maybe we'll spray the car, and we may wrap it in black just in case, if ever, I want to peel it back, because I do plan to get a carbon fiber trunk, but we'll see. So yeah, that's the video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. Again, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe if you like this kind of car content for the Accords. I still got to put in the windshield washer fluid nozzle top thingies, but other than that, yeah, that's it. And then my brother has his car. Yeah, look at that thing. It just has such a nice profile. It just needs a wash, or maybe just the hood needs a wash, and you gotta correct that little bumper thing right there. But other than that, yeah, we plan to get it here to this car, this stage, like the little things. So obviously we have a suspension and we have wheels for our car. We might eventually put some what's called signal mirrors as well. but for now he likes it the way it is. He has to fix that. It's a little droopy, but yeah, this thing is off of the 9th gen Civic Coupes, 9th gen Civic Coupes, and this one is the HIC one. All you have to do is shave it down on the corners right here, and it's good to go. But yeah, that's his car. I definitely want these right here. I think it adds to the aesthetic of the car. But yeah, look at that thing, man. Gee, that kid is lucky. Must be nice having an older brother. But yeah, we're gonna, you already know, you guys, we're gonna take care of this car. Yes, I still need to take off the tint and then wash it. I've just been busy with work, guys. I started a new job and I'm working like 50 hours a week, and I'm up at like 4 or 5 o'clock. I have so much other stuff to do, but yeah, this is that carbon fiber hood. I'm gonna see what I can use to take off this stuff right here, but I think it looks nice. It looks really nice. Alright guys, well, don't forget to hit that thumbs up, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.